How to find square root of 1089 by long division method. First make group from right side to left side. So this is your first group, then this is your second group. Consider the second group first, 10. So here you have to take here a number whose square will be equal to 10 or nearest to 10. If you take here 4, then 4 square equal to 16, which is greater than 10. So this is not correct. 3 squared equal to 9. So this is correct. You have taken here 3, so same digit will come to the quotient also. 3 times 3, 9. Subtract 1, bring down the next pair. Now you have placed here 3, so the same digit will come under this divisor. Add 3 times 3, 6. Now place here a digit, same digit will come here. Okay, now 6, then here, guess here a number and you need to multiply. If you take here 3, this 3 must come here. So 3. Now 3 times 63, 9, 18, 189, which is equal to this. So our guessing number 3 is correct. So 3 times 63, 189. Subtract 0 as our remainder is 0. We are done. To check our answer, so here we have placed 3. So this 3 must come under this divisor and add 3 plus 3, 6. Look, this 66 is the double of 33. So we can say that our answer 33 is correct. So the square root of 1089 by non division method is 33.